Hey, good morning folks, AJ here, and today we are going to hang one of the biggest TVs that I've ever hung, an 85-inch screen TV at Glen Allen Baptist Church. They also have a custom, upgraded, built presentation system that's going to handle obviously presentations, but it's also going to be running Zoom. They're not live streaming to Facebook or YouTube, but they're using Zoom with an A10 Mini that we did a consultation with them a while ago, earlier this year, and made that suggestion to get them better quality. I think they're using a Sony A6000 or 5000 as their main camera in the back. Very beautiful sanctuary, super tall ceiling. But again, we got a good industrial mount that can support a 90-inch screen TV. But we're gonna do that, secure this. I got Mr. Hicks, again, gonna help me with the lift. Great decision making on how to hang that. So whenever I'm in a situation, I see if he's available and I hire him out to help me with this stuff. The main thing of the TV is going to be just hanging it, because it's going to actually go on the back as a confidence stage monitor for their pastor, to see notes, maybe Zoom participants and everything like that from the other system. So that'll be good. Way more horsepower than their original system, so I think they should be happy with that. What else? I think that's mainly it. I mean, it's mainly going to be putting the mount, bracing that, lifting the TV up, hanging it, and then we're going to make a pass-through plate on the balcony wall, and we're running a 50-foot fiber HDMI cable to connect from the PC to that screen. And then I have a couple of adapters because I don't know what type of monitor that they have right now. If it's HDMI, I have another display port to HDMI cable that will connect to that. If not, I have an HDMI to VGA if that's what's going to their original monitor. Didn't include a different monitor, didn't include keyboard and mouse because I was assuming that they already had that stuff. But anyway, let me take the stuff to the car, take my daughter's car seat out so I can go get my ladder from the church. Then I have to drop the stuff off at the church, pick up the U-Haul, and then go to Best Buy, pick up the TV that I ordered last week, and then meet Mr. Hicks and everybody at the church again so we can get this stuff done. The rental is only for 4 hours, so hopefully the main thing is get the TV, and I don't know if maybe I can just drop the TV off and then come back after dropping the van off, because I don't know, I want to rent it longer than need be. But anyway, let me go get some breakfast and then let's go. Well, I always wanted to do this, so. All right, folks, we're here at Glen Allen Baptist Church. I'm here early, gonna drop off this equipment, get my ladder, then I'm gonna go get the rental, go pick the TV up, and meet Mr. Hicks over here, and we're gonna start to get some stuff done. All right, Mr. Hicks is already here. So I am heading up, hit the wrong button. I'm heading up to the sanctuary to drop this off, and then Mr. Hicks was like, he felt his truck is big enough to do the TV, so we're gonna put everything up here first, unload everything. I need to go back and get my ladder, but then we're gonna go and put everything inside the sanctuary. All right, and I believe we're the only folks here right now, except for assistant here, but let me show you what we got here. All right, so there's the point of where the TV is going to be. I don't know if they want it to be dead center or not, but that is what we're going to be mounting this TV right there in this on there somewhere. So I need to punch through and find where that's going to be. They have an X32 up there, so I'm going to take this, leave the stuff down here, and then move from there. Hey, good morning. Good morning. All right, so we're going to put the TV right here, complete center. So let me, like I said, take this upstairs, set the computer up, and then get some measurements, find some studs, start marking the stuff, as well as the pass-through of where the cables and the power cable from the TV is going to go to be on the other side. All right, so this is where the TV is going to go, and let's do the transformation. Best Buy, and yeah, there's a massive TV. So I'm waiting for Mr. Hicks to be back, and then we'll get up there to pick that up and take it. So let me walk around Best Buy, see what other stuff they got here until Mr. Hicks gets back. Folks, TV is hung. So now what we got to do is go ahead and get it configured as a display for the computer, and we'll go from there. Folks, so we got everything squared away. One issue, because of the computer, it only has 2 outputs, and the projector right now is VGA. So we're talking about them ordering a USB to VGA adapter so everything stays the same, so everything shows up. We got everything in place here. I'm gonna slide this up under here. That was the video card from the old computer, but I think we're good. We're going from a display port to HDMI to connect next to this, and the fiber optic HDMI cable is plugged in there, which is connected to this, which is off. I need to set the image. I think that one's turned off, and we need to change the image on that. All right, so there we go. Man, that's a beautiful sight. I think this is gonna be a thumbnail picture. All right, so I think we are good to go. Thank you so much, Glen Allen Baptist Church. Really appreciate it. Like I said, they're gonna get in the other cables here just to connect that. And man, that emissionary like that looks something good, don't it? Don't it? That look good. I need to take a picture of that. So I think we're good to go. Let me clean my stuff up, follow up with them if they need anything. Again, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. it took a little bit on that one because we had to climb up in here and pull the cable and stuff like that. Thank you again, Mr. Hicks, for doing an outlet, running the electrical, and with the lift and helping me lift that up there. Really appreciate that, sir. And yeah, so if y'all have any other questions, any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you want a consultation, hit me up at ajhomes.com/consultations, and that's about it. So if you like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Later, folks.